Nais mo bang alamin kung ano ang preposition of place? Panoorin ang video ito para malaman mo. Keep on watching to learn something. Good day, kids! This is your teacher, Sheshe, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will going to have a new lesson. But before we proceed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's start! What is a preposition? It is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with other words in the sentence. Sa Tagalog, ito ang pang-ukol na nag-uugnay sa pangalan o panghalip sa isang pangungusap. And now, kids, pag-aaralan natin ang preposition of place. Preposition of place is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. Ang preposition of place ay mga pang-ukol na ginagamit sa mga lugar o lokasyon. Here are some of the common preposition of place. Number 1. Inside. It is used in enclosed space or in Tagalog, sa loob. Kapag merong malinaw na labas at loob, inside ang ating gagamitin. Example, they will eat dinner in the dining room. Saan daw sila kakain ng hapunan? Sa loob ng kanilang silid-kainan. Another example, place the book inside the bag. Saan daw ilalagay yung libro? Sa loob ng bag. Number 2. On. On is used on the surfaces. Kapag merong flat surface o nasa ibabaw na surface, on ang ating gagamitin. Example, the bag is on the chair. Nasaan daw yung bag? Nasa ibabaw ng upuan. Another example, the apple is on the book. Nasaan daw yung mansanas? Nasa ibabaw ng libro. The third one, under. It is used when one thing is covered by another thing. Sa Tagalog, sa ilalim ng. Example, the ball is under the table. Nasaan daw ang bola? Nasa ilalim ng lamesa. Another example, Aya is sitting under the tree. Saan daw nakaupo si Aya? Sa ilalim ng puno. Number 4, above. Used at an upper or higher level. Ito yung mas mataas na kinalalagyan. The clock is above the mirror. Nasa itaas daw ng salamin ang orasan. Another example, the frames are hung above the window. Saan daw nakasabit yung mga frames? Nasa itaas ng bintana. Number 5, beside. It means at the side of, or ibig sabihin sa tabi. Example, Jojo is beside Tads. Nasaan daw si Jojo? Nasa tabi ni Tads. Very good. Another example, Anna is beside her pet. Nasaan daw si Anna? Nasa tabi ng kanyang alaga. Number 6, outside. not in particular position, but near it. So, ibig sabihin, nasa labas. Example, the children are playing outside the house. Saan daw naglalaro ang mga bata? Sa labas ng bahay. Very good. Another example, the student was lined up outside the classroom. Saan daw nakapila ang mga mag-aaral? Sa labas ng silid-aralan. Kids, it is important that you know the different uses of preposition of place for you to properly locate the place of a thing or a person. And now, kids, let us see if you learned something in our lesson for today. Let's try to answer this. Write the correct preposition of place in the following sentences. Comment your answer in the comment box below. Did you get a perfect answer? Very good! Kung meron pa kayong mga lesson na gusto nyong pag-aralan natin, i-comment nyo lang sa baba para sa mga susunod pa nating video. And that is our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all. Bye-bye!